Hello guys, this is your second video of how to become a Roblox expert. So let's delete all of these houses or things that we had. Here we go. Now let's learn a bit of scripting. First of all, you'll always want the Explorer and Properties thing open. To get them open, if they're not open, what you have to do is click View and click Explorer and Properties. Here you go. Now, the server script service is a very good place to store scripts, and they run automatically like any script. So all we have to do is right click on server script storage, enter object script. Now this is your script. First delete the print hello world. To zoom in, just hold control, and if you're on a mouse wheel, just scroll in. And if you're not on a mouse wheel, you just have to, if you're on a laptop, for instance, I'm on the desktop, just literally move your fingers around on the touchpad, and it'll zoom in and out. Anyway, the first thing you want to do, let's learn about printing. Printing is a way, if I, let's say, do a view, output. Printing is a way, so let's say I wanted to print out hello world. So running this script, it'll print out at the bottom, wait for it, hello world right there, and my body and character will load in too. There you go. Now let's say we want to make the base plate. No, actually, before we do that, let's focus on variables. Variables are ways of storing data. So let's say I wanted to store a score. To make it local, meaning only the script can access it, just do local score, or whatever you want the variable you want to be 0. Or whatever, so I could have local money is 0, or I could local have money is that number. But if you want everyone to access it, so obviously money or scores you'd want all, well not everyone, I mean scripts, all scripts to access it, I'll just say money equals 0. Now, hopefully, I can now print money. Now, if I click run runs the script without bringing in your character. Here you go, 0. Then if I set money to be 10, run it, 10, nice. Ignore that. Now the next thing you'd want to do, not next thing, now let's make the base plate go red. Now we'll do something called properties. First of all, I'm going to do game.workspace. Wow. The IntelliSense not working. Baseplate. Brick color. Oh wow. Okay. Brick color. That's the IntelliSense is lagging out for me. Equals brick color. Wow, I really cannot. Oh wow, I press insert. Wow. Wow. Color. Color. Now let's save red. I think that's what we said. So now, if we hit play, you'll see that the base plate's red. But okay, now you're like, but yeah, it's red. But what the hell does this do? So game.workspace.baseplate right here is referencing inside the if I do Game Explorer, okay, I have to upload it. But game is going inside the actual game. Workspace is going inside this workspace right here where you have all your building terrain, etc. And the camera. Baseplate is referencing the baseplate object right here. dot brick color is changing its color equals brick color dot red. That you may think that's the redundancy department of redundancy. But that's really the quickest way of doing it, and probably the only way. But we're programmers. Programmers are lazy. We don't want to type this out every single time. So what we can do is, as I explained, I could do local, let's say, my baseplate. My baseplate equals. Then I can just do copy and paste this. And it will do exactly the same thing. So yeah, now it will do exactly the same thing. Click the placeholder button up there. Boom, red. Yay, it's red now. So yeah, but then there are loads of other things you could do. Like maybe not brick color. Let's want it. Let's see what we can do with it actually. Baseplate. Let's set it reflectance. Wow, can't. No, let's do transparency. Transparency. Sorry, I can't type today. Equals. Then I'll put 1. This is going to make it an invisible baseplate. So I am actually walking on the baseplate right now, but it's invisible. But let's make it half invisible. All I have to do is put 0.5 here. Now, when I hit play, wait for it. See, half transparent. So yeah. Oh wait, how long has this video been going on for? Doesn't really matter. Let's now do instances. So let's say we want to store a score. I'll do score equals in. Oh wow, I can't type. Sorry, the keyboard now is changing value. Instance dot new. I'm going to, let's say, make it an int value. You have to put int value with that capital letters and everything. That creates an integer value. An integer is basically a variable that stores a score. So I can make the variable, let's say, 10, or I can make the variable, loads of things. And now, let's do, but you always have to assign it a parent. There are 2 ways of doing this. You can either just do comma to set its parent, or you can do score.parent equals, I'll just put game.workspace. Wow, workspace. Oh yeah. So there you go, it's score. Now, let's do score.name equals score. And now, if I do while true do, let's print out score.value. Let's wait 0.1 seconds. What this will do is when I hit run, inside Workspace, you'll see that we have this thing. Wait, it looks like it's giving me an error. Wait a second. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Sorry. Settings. Messing around with them. I'll just put. Let's play it. Player is printing out 0, but now in the Workspace, if I see I have the score. If I change it to, let's say, 10. Oh wow, 10. 10. That number. I change it to 34, etc. You can do that whatever you want. I think that's going to be the end of this. Wait, no. Before we do that, let's do a bool value. A bool value is basically the same thing, just it can only store true or false. So it's going to be printing out false. Now let's go into the score. Let's make it true, false, true, false. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I think we're gonna end that episode there. If you enjoyed, obviously, click that like button and click subscribe. I really do. I really do. I really do hope you like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.